Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David. Today I will show you how to create a Minecraft thumbnail. For this, let's create a world really quick. If Minecraft will keep up with me. Come on, it's just a new world, so I'll be creative, new world, okay, everything is fine to me. So first we have to catch a frame, a screenshot in Minecraft. And you have to think what you want to make this thumbnail about. For me, I will just make the thumbnail for this video you just watched. So I will just sketch a landscape, a very nice landscape from the above in the creative while flying. But for you, if you, let's say you want to create a thumbnail for a Minecraft farm, like a wheat farm, yeah, you guessed it, you just have to catch a screenshot with your farm in the background. Or maybe if you want to create a PvP thumbnail where two players are fighting because the video is about an arena, catch the screenshot in the arena, then photograph the players individuals, then in Photoshop you have three photos: player 1, photo 1, player 2, photo 2, and the background, which is photo 3, will be the landscape of the arena. And you combine all these three in the Photoshop. Is much easier than, let's say you want to catch everything in one frame, arena and two player fighting, you just want to press a button and catch all players, no, that's much harder. It may sound easier, but in the beginning it's just harder. So let's go, and I will increase the frames to maximum, because even if I will not have a higher frame rate, will be greater for the thumbnail. Which direction? I think I will catch everything in that zone instead of the desert. What about catching this village in the screenshot? Maybe. And let me show you a trick. We'll go to options and we'll drop the FUV to almost maximum, because just look at this line of the house, okay? And now I'll go into options and increase to Quake Pro. Do you think that's a cinematic? You have to get closer, and no, that's disgusting. So let's go back, options, decrease the FUV, and you can see everything is looking much more beautiful than it was in the past. It's awesome to me. So I'll catch everything not like that. I think that's okay. Maybe a little bit of sky in the background so I can add some text. That sounds awesome. Okay, that's perfect. I will just screenshot right now. Okay, catch that. Now everything I have to do left, close Minecraft and get into the Photoshop. In my opinion, learn Photoshop above every other software, because what you can do in Photoshop, you can do in pretty much anything else. Like I tried tons of softwares in the past, and believe me, when I started learning Photoshop, it was, man, I will not go back to those apps on the phone or on the computer. Photoshop have everything included. Oh, I forgot something. I want to catch myself also in the thumbnail. So let's grab some green concrete. Okay, the sun is in that direction, so we'll have to place right here the concrete, because I will cut myself in Photoshop. It will be very easy, so you will see immediately. Drop the FUV to something like that. That's perfect. I want to have my hand. Okay, that's perfect, and let's screenshot it really quick. Done. Okay guys, let's open the Photoshop and combine everything in one piece. Found it. It's 2023. You can get that. It may sound complicated to use Photoshop, but believe me, it's complicated only at the beginning, then it will make your work very, very easy. So once you have the Photoshop open, come on, it's not loaded yet. You will have to open, you'll have to press on new file, then you can go custom. Let's go with, I don't know, 1920 by 1080. Great. Press on create, and this will be the dimension of your thumbnail. This is the width is 1920, and this will be 1080. That being said, where is our main landscape? This is the landscape. Let's drag it into the Photoshop, and I will place it in the corner and drag it all the way down. Okay, that's perfect. Now press enter, and if you accidentally didn't place it well, as you can see, I have a white margin right here. Just select it one more again and press Ctrl T as in Thomas. You have to select the background, okay, and now you can drag it again. All right, that's great. Now I want to select the landscape again, press Ctrl Shift A, and now I can basically increase the saturation or the contrast, the brightness. I can edit this photo very well and create it more cinematic. It may load very slow at the beginning. Okay, it's open. So what I'm doing with all my photos, I increase the exposure. I will go to 0.3 in this situation. You can see it's bad, but it will help me later. Let's increase the contrast. Not too much, at least with this photo. Highlight, I will go all the way down. About shadow, let's see. I think I will leave the shadow where it was. What about white? I can lower that not very much. And the blacks, I think this will do it. Texture, let's increase that a bit. That's much better. The clarity, don't go very crazy with this one. Dehaze, the same, don't go very crazy with this one. I'll go just like 4, at least with this photo. Vibrance and saturation, this is a very basic. Let's go something like that. And what about the saturation? Let's go just 5 with this one. Let's go back to dehaze now. I want a very nice sky, so it was at 4. Let's go like 15. 15 will do it. Great. Press OK. And you can see how well I transformed this photo. But it's not exactly what I want. So I will press Ctrl and T again. And let's drag it something like that, I guess. Something like that will do it. Not that much. You have to wait again for the filters to load. Okay. Now I want a logo, the Minecraft logo, and I'm very glad that I saved that every time. So I have that in these folders, logos, and here I can find the Minecraft logo. It's PNG already. I downloaded that, so it's too big. It's too big. Let's go something like that. Great, and there it goes. And you want to control the shape again? Select the logo. Press Ctrl T again, and you can reselect its size again. So yeah, enter when you're done. Let's place it right there. Don't go in the margin. That's not very professional. I'll leave some space right there. Now I want to add some text. So all I have to do, press T on the keyboard, and I can click once and type whatever you want to type. This will do for now. Let's increase the text size. I will go, I think, 300. Still very small, 400. And I want to measure if that's at the same size with Minecraft. No, I will go then. What about 500? Almost. I think we'll do it. Now it's at the same size with Minecraft, and I think I will place it. Damn it. I will place it somewhere around right here. Great. Now it looks very well, but you can read it very good. So I will add a drop shadow on that. So I select the text, as you can see it's selected, and I will press here and press on drop shadow. Let drag it from my other monitor right here, so you can see it. So I can spread that a bit. What about the size? This will do it. Not too crazy with that. Okay, now it's much better, but I want to add other effects. So let's go this one. Press on texture and look at the text right now. I will add this very cool effect on the text. This will be the depth. This will do it. And let's search something that will fit me. Okay, don't really like it now. That will do it for me at least. I like it. You can add a lot of effects from there. Don't go very crazy. You can add a stroke is very good. Some inner shadow, some contour, inner glow. No, don't go too crazy as I told you. Thumbnails. I have to add one more text. So I'll press T as in Thomas and click once, and I'll just type thumbnail. I'll have to add an A at the beginning, Control Enter, and now select the select tool, and it's at the same size with the first text I added, but as you can see, you have to make it bigger. So in this situation, let's go 800. Good. The select tool and drag it on the middle. And let's add some effects on that, like a drop shadow, this texture on the text, which I really like, but we'll have to change it. That will do it. Increase the depth, not too crazy. That's perfect. So a stroke, I like the stroke effect. The inner shadow, the inner glow, I don't really like that one. And it's pretty okay. Let's make this text yellow. Select the text, go down here. You can select the color from here. I will make it yellow. That will do it for now. I have one more photo, which is my character. This one. Click right click, open with and Photoshop, because I don't want to drag it. I want to select it. Now I will press C as in Charles, and let's crop it because I want to see just my character, because I will use the magic wand to do that. Okay, that will do it. I will press Ctrl Shift A, and as I corrected the saturation, the contrast with the first photo, I will do the same on this one. Damn it, not only the head. I want to deselect it. Come on, enter. No, I will have to select this, click here, okay. Now, let's go again, Ctrl Shift A. Okay, it's working now. You just have a lot of combination to learn, but once you'll get used to that, trust me, it's much easier than using other apps. Trust me, I was that guy who didn't want to learn Photoshop, but once I get into the Photoshop, things got easier to me. Trust me, it's just this transition you'll have to get through. I didn't like the idea of getting into Photoshop, but once you'll watch few tutorials, trust me, and learn the combination on the keyboard, your life will get easier. Okay, that will do it. It's much sweeter than first photo. And let's do the same. This will be the selection tool. Let's copy again the body and the head and the head. This is the body. Control V. Select also the head. Control V. Okay, press on select tool. Select the head. Control T, and let's make it bigger. Not that big for now, at least, and the body also. Okay. This is the center. What about placing the head is too small? Okay, I'll make it big. This is too big. Is it this size? This is too small. I think that's the size. Yeah, that's the size. Let's add a glow on the Minecraft. So I selected the Minecraft, and let's go to outer glow, and that's very beautiful. It's white. I want to be white. Let's increase the size, something like that. The spread, it's awesome. The spread, okay, and let's increase the size. Increase just a bit the spread, and that's my style, I guess. So let's press on OK. Now it's much better. I want to put my head over the Minecraft logo, so just drag it above. Okay, now it looks much better. And what about getting the thumbnail in front of my character? So let's drag the thumbnail on the bottom. Oh, it went somewhere. Let's select the body then. This is layer 1. Let's go down, 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 and place it right. What the hell, man? Okay, it was behind the landscape. Let's press Ctrl and R. As you can see, I will get some lines that can help me, and those will not be visible in the photo. So I just Ctrl and R. Let's drag it 100, 100 and a half. That will do it. The same in the other side. So this will be 100 and a half. What was that? 100 and a half. I like it. I like it now, but I will do something with this logo. So I will press Ctrl T while selecting it. Hold the Ctrl button and drag this corner. Let's go this one, something like that, I think. let's see where it goes. I'm just experimenting right now and see if I like something. That will do. Okay, no, just a little bit down. Not too much. That will do it. Enter. And let's place it again on this one. And that looks much better now, in my opinion. We can add an arrow or something, but this will do it. I want to correct just the background a bit. I think I can show something else. Okay, I feel like this. I like this style, and I think I will leave it like that. And I see right now I made a mistake how to make a Minecraft thumbnail, so I'll have to delete this A from here and place the thumbnail again on the middle, and that will do it. That was it. Okay, guys, I really hope I helped you, and I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can have.